Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a realistic cracked face. Let's get started. First, import a picture with a subject on who you want to create the effect on. Then, insert a cracked texture, something like this. Move it around and rotate it so that it fits on the model's face. Then, change the blending mode to multiply. Move it around her face until it looks good. Then go to Image, Adjustments. You can play around with the curves until the textures look even more realistic. You can even play around with the brightness and contrast. Now go to Filter and select Liquify. Select Show Backdrop and select the opacity to around 80%. And now move her cracks so they make sense on the face. Move the cracks around her nose, her eyes and her mouth. When you're happy with your cracks, press OK. Now select your crack layer and when holding Option or Alt on PC, create a new mask. Select the brush tool, select a bigger size and put the softness to 0, and then you can start drawing cracks on her face. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.